How is everybody doing? Welcome along to this lesson for Roadkill by the 1975. So, there are a few different parts going on in this song. We're going to get straight into it today. So you see the chord diagrams on screen. So I'm going to go straight into the intro. So, for the intro, I'll play this line once. Okay, so at times I may do a slight variation on the rhythm written, but feel free to do so yourselves too. The one on screen is one of the best ones for the recording. Now, first bar, we have C, then we go to C with the B bass, and the rhythm goes as follows. Quite simply on every bar, it's down, down, up, down, down, up. Keep in mind, the rhythm swings, so it's going to go. That means the count would work well as follows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That would really help get that swing into the count. So we do the intro twice and stick to the end. I will do a playthrough of the parts as well. So then we get the verse. Now, looking at this line, you will see that we have 4 times we do that line. The first time you do it, you're going to end with A minor G5. The second time we play the line, we're going to end it with D. Right? And then the third time, again, you end it with A minor G5. Fourth time, it's D again. Now what I'll do is I'll play it twice. So you'll hear how it sounds as it goes from A minor G5, then it goes back and it goes to the D. So here we go. Verse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the start now. Then the D. Then back to the start. Alright, that should be pretty straightforward since you have the chords from the intro already. Now, then we get the chorus. Now for the chorus, keep in mind you saw in the intro I did a nice little drag thing. I'm going to teach what's written on screen first. So we get A minor 7 for 2 bars, then C add 9 followed by a D. We play that line 4 times. The rhythm again is down, down, up, down, down, up, and so on. So I'll play through the chorus once. 1, 2, 3, 4. Playing our songs on the radio station. And the rhythm you can vary if you wish. We C add 9. Sometimes just going down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Can sound good too. Again, this is like the bass rhythm to follow. Now, that will be all your chorus then. So now we've covered the intro, the verse, and the chorus. And if you want to check out any other of the 1975 guitar lessons I've done, you'll have seen they'll have popped up. I have a few other ones done as well. Verse 2, as you can see, is the same as verse 1. Okay, and of course we'll go back into the chorus, same thing. Now that drag I talked about. If you want on the first beat of that A minor 7, just go like this. So you strum up on the first beat and you'll really drag it out. Okay, again, this tutorial isn't about fancy techniques, so you can do it plain as well if you wish. So to learn it, if you want to, look at the D at the end of the line. Now watch this. That's just how I'd start the A minor 7 line. Now that's the chorus again. And finally we have the bridge. So the bridge then. You see we go E5, D with F sharp, G5, then D and C. Now, after that C, it says D. As you'll notice, the shape goes up 2 frets, 1, 2. Now, is that the official name of that chord? Nope, but it's easier to understand. So, you're going to play all that 3 times. And finally, on the 4th time through, what's going to happen is you're actually going to play E5, D with an F sharp, G5, D, and then just C. Right, so we get this from the bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, now strum. Up we go, and back to E5. I've been waiting for you. Alright, so you get the picture there. Now, finally then, we have the outro. So again, it's the same as the intro. I'll play it once. 3, 4. And you do that line twice. And guys, that's the entire song. So again, all the repeat marks are there. And if you want to download the free tab of playing along with it, you'll have seen the link pop up above too. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and comment below. Happy to answer any questions. See you in the next lesson.